taking a journey to a place where creativity knows no bounds, where passion meets craftsmanship, and where every piece tells a story. As we make our way to the lyric manual for Teacher Bukidnon, the anticipation builds. What inspires Rian Cabañas to create such stunning bead crafts, intricate bracelets, and enchanting dream catchers? Let's find out. Passionately crafted, locally handmade, we're about to discover the incredible creations of Rian Cabañas, a talented artisan known for his exquisite bead crafts, intricate bracelets, and enchanting dream captures.
May buntag, ako lang si Rian Cabañas from the Lirig. And ang craftsman, dreadlock, and music artist. Story good background na ni is way back 2018, 7 years na. Nagtrabaho ko sa bake shop, then na ako'y kauban na craftsman, dreadlock artist gyapon siya. Siya may nag-introduce sa kuha about sa mga art. Motivation ako katong mga tao na nag-una sa eksena, labi na po ning mga craftsman, kaning pang display sa kilid. So na-amaze ko silang mga art, so sila mo akong gikuhaan, hugutan na ngano nabuhat nila, ngano dili na ko pwede mabuhat, na naman ko'y kamot na ko'y abilidad. So moto siya.
Each piece is a testament to his skills and dedication to his crafts, from the careful selection of materials to the precise threading of every bead. Every detail is considered with love and care.
Sa taga-adlaw, sir, kakakuha sa imong materials, sa imong paghimo sa imong mga products.
Okay. Actually, akong materials, atoon din akong lasang. So, tambay gyud ko sa lasang, kibali buntag, taman hapon siguro para makuha lang gid ang product na akong gusto. Dayon, pagkaabot na gamaon ako siya, whole day gyapon. So, unsa gid siya, time consuming gid ang paggama.
What are the materials that you use?
Sa Dreamcatcher is nito. Wala siya physical store na like ato kakugo na dito kapalit ana. So kaning siyang nito is kailangan nimo siya tuwan sa lasang. Dito ginani mo siya makuha. Kabantay ka ng mga plato, mga kalot na ginagama. Wala sila ng mga material po.
Inspired by nature, culture, and personal experiences, Rian Cabañas' creations are not just beautiful adornments, but also reflections of the soul.
Pinaka-challenge yun is unsaon paghalin sa imong product. Ang ako yung product is a Dreamcatcher. So, mahal siya. So, dugay gid siya mahalin. Mo ginang pinaka-struggle gid sa tanan. Unsaon pagbaligya nimo, unsaon kinsabot ang mga palit. Ato yan subagon no. Sama ro na kinabuhi man na. Struggle sa life. Walay dali na lusutan no, sama sa inyo ay estudyante. Unsaon ninyo pagkabot lugar ana kung dili pa mo tarog eskwela. So inani ra gyapon ng crafts bay. Padayon atubangon ang mga pagsuway mura na siya.
Rian Cabañas' story teaches us that handmade crafts are more than just beautiful objects. They are a reflection of the artist's soul, culture, and community. By supporting local artisans, we're contributing to the richness of our cultural heritage and the well-being of our communities.
Hi guys, sa matag usab no, I'm Rian, craftsman musician no, sa tanan na nagtalantaw karon ani palihog ko suporta no, a flip local. Thank you so much.
As we conclude our journey into the world of Rian Cabañas' passionately handmade creations, we were reminded of the value of supporting local artists and craftsman community. By choosing handmade items, we're not only acquiring unique pieces, but also investing in the preservation of traditional crafts and promotion of creative expression. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of passionately handmade crafts. May the beauty and wisdom of Rian Cabañas creations stay with you, inspiring you to cherish the handmade and support the artisans who bring colors to put into our communities.
Hi, ako si Hani. Isa ka estudyante. Karon na ako sa balay sa Ganja House. Uban ako mga tropa kay nagbuhat niyo og project. Karon ako nang gitanggol ang ikot para sa dream culture.